Okay, so let's start with today's session. And today we are going to work specifically on relationships.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, as I told you, that mostly we work on health, relationships, career, and financial goals.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yesterday was something related to health. Today, let's work on relationships. Now, before we start, if you want to work on any specific relationship, you can work on that. If no, in general, when I say relationship, it's not only like relationship with the spouse and all. It can be relationship with your extended family members, relationship with your friends, relationship with your colleagues, profession,
Mm-hmm.
whatever relationships you have in professional life. Okay, so I mean everything. So if you want to work on any specific relation, say for example, some friend whom you want to be really connected with that person, but because of some or the other reason, you are not that well connected. Getting
Mm-hmm.
my point? So
Yes.
it can be any relationship. If nothing, then your relationship with yourself. If you feel that, yes, I'm doing good in all my relationships, I'm maintaining everything well, perfect, then you work on your relationship with yourself. So if you are aware about any specific relationship which you want to work on, then I want you to introspect and decide what are you feeling right now with respect to that relationship. If you're not comfortable, no need to share the story or the person, everything, but just how are you feeling with respect to that relationship?
Okay.
Okay, I understand. That's why I told you that it's not necessary that there are a lot of problems and all. But yes, wherever you feel, or you can in general work on your relationship with yourself. So
Okay.
whenever I'm mentioning about other person or something like that, you can think about your inner child. Think about yourself only. Okay, so if you are aware about any specific relationship, it can be with your parents, children, extended family, friends, relatives, anyone. Just get aware about that. As I always tell you, awareness is the first step, it's the key. Awareness, acceptance, and then healing. So, first get aware about that, decide where I have to work on. Okay,
Okay.
and then we will take it forward from there. Even close your eyes, sit straight, sit comfortably with your back straight, neck straight, relax your forehead, relax your eyes, relax your shoulders, then move your body slightly to left, slightly to right. Find out that perfect center for your body, perfect central axis. Align your body in perfect balance. Be comfortably seated. Feel that connection with the surface wherever you are sitting. Feel that connection all the way going to the earth. Feel that you are safe, you are supported in this space. Take a deep breath and breathe out. One more time. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. As you exhale, feel that connection with the ground. Feel that support and feel that you are safe, connected, and supported. Be aware about the music. Listen to the music. Keep complete awareness on your breath. Keep your hands on your heart. Connect with your heartbeat. Connect with your inner self. Feel that heartbeat. Place your hand in such a way that you're feeling your heartbeat. Literally feel that heartbeat and observe it. How is it? Is it slow? Is it fast? Take a deep breath and exhale. Now experience that perfect harmony between your breath and your heartbeat. Observe that rhythm between your breath and your heartbeat and set an intention for this practice. Say, I open myself to healing and release all that no longer serves me. I open myself to healing. I welcome harmony and love into my relationships. Set that intention. Tell to yourself, I welcome love and harmony in all my relationships. And now, welcome to this sacred space of healing. Let's start our journey of love, forgiveness, and deep emotional release. This is going to help you restore peace in your heart and heal any wounds in your relationships. Take a deep breath. Hold it for a moment and exhale, releasing any tension at physical or emotional level. Any stretch in the body, just release. Do it one more time. Inhale, deep, long inhale on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, and deep release on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you continue to breathe, visualize the soft golden healing light forming into your chest, your heart chakra, which is the chakra for love and connection, love and healing. With every inhale, it is growing brighter, and with every exhale, it is dissolving any negativity, any pain. Now bring to mind the person you wish to heal your relationship with. It can be any other person. If you are not able to think about anyone else, think about yourself and work on healing your relationship with yourself. If you can think about that person, visualize them standing in front of you with a gentle expression. And as you see this person or as you see this inner child, observe your emotions without judgment. What do you feel? How are you feeling about this person, about this situation? Observe your feelings, observe your emotions. See that person is standing just in front of you. Observe their face, their eyes, and their posture. Completely observe that person. Notice it without any judgment, without any resistance. Allow yourself to feel whatever emotions arise. Don't resist anything, whatever comes up. If these are the thoughts about yourself, let it come, let it rise. No judgment, no resistance, just let it flow. Accept all of it without pushing anything away. Now keep your hands on your heart and say that person's name or your name. This is the beginning of our healing process. Say that person's name and say, I am sorry. Looking into the eyes of that person or looking into the eyes of your inner child, say, I am sorry. Now, this is not about blame. You are not accepting any blame, but this is the acknowledgement of any disharmony that has occurred. So, say sorry for that disharmony in this relationship. And see that beautiful healing energy of understanding flowing between both of you. And repeat, I am sorry for any pain I have caused, for any misunderstandings, for any distance that has formed between us. I am sorry for the moments I was not fully present, for any words left unspoken, and for any ways I have hurt you knowingly or unknowingly. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. And now, as you say this, visualize that healing light is dissolving any pain, any resentment, anger, hate, blame, criticism between you and that person or you and your inner child. And repeat, please forgive me. For any times I was unkind, inattentive, or unaware of your needs. Please forgive me for the times I was not available for you. Please forgive me just as I am willing to forgive myself. I release the burden of guilt and welcome peace. Now say thank you. Express that gratitude. Thank you for the lessons this relationship has brought me. Thank you for allowing me to heal. Thank you for this opportunity to love and be loved. Thank you. I love you. Bring that smile on your face, look into the eyes of that person, say, I love you. And feel that healing light expanding from your heart, embracing both of you. I love you. Without conditions, without expectations. I love you as a soul, beyond our past interactions. See that person as an energy, deeply connected with you, and say, I love you as a soul. I love myself. I love myself enough to let go of pain. I love you enough to release resentment. And feel that love and peace restoring between both of you. Now the healing energy has been shared. Visualize a sacred bridge of light forming between you and this person. Step onto this bridge and walk towards them, feeling lighter, free from any past pain. Once you reach them, offer a gesture of healing, perhaps a smile, an embrace, or a simple nod of understanding. Look into the eyes of that person and smile. Say, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Just be in that moment. Now imagine both of you turning towards the horizon, walking in peace, carrying only love and wisdom from this experience. And as you step off this bridge of healing, take a deep breath in and out. Knowing that the past is released, the future is open to new possibilities. Take one more deep breath. Take it a deep breath and release. your hands on your heart and let's affirm I am at peace with myself and my relationships. Say it loudly. I am at peace with myself and all my relationships. I forgive and I am forgiven. I forgive and I am forgiven. Love flows freely between me and those around me. Love flows freely between me and those around me. I am open to harmony, joy, and understanding. I am open to harmony, joy, and understanding. Feel the energy of these words, these affirmations. Feel that perfect harmony, love, and understanding in all your relationships. How would you feel if there is perfect harmony in all your relationships? Feel that right now, here. That satisfaction, contentment, happiness, laughter, that connection, deep connection with all your loved ones. Feel that. Bring that smile on your face. Knowing that you are healed. And say it one more time. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Just be in the moment. Let this beautiful healing music work on you. Now bring your attention to your body. Feel your physical presence. Feel your body. Move your fingers. Move your toes. Move your body slightly. Rub your palms. Creating that energy of love and harmony. Spread it all across your body, your heart. And slowly and gently open your eyes whenever you are ready. And tell me, how are you feeling now?
Feeling nice.
Nice? Good.
Yes.
So, Dhanashri, what could you visualize? You worked on the relationship with yourself?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. So could you visualize that inner child standing in front of you?
Yeah, sometimes we just criticize ourselves when things go wrong, and
Right.
so that helped me to
Correct.
stop doing that.
Yes. Many situations also pop up when you
Yeah,
say these words. Many things pop up that how I was hard on myself, how I was
yes.
into doubt, that self doubt or criticism.
It was relaxing and calming.
Yes. Okay. Very good. So, which relationship you worked on, Gargi?
Two, three different relationships, I can say. I had
Okay.
those in mind.
Okay. Very good. So, you got some pointers for yourself, got some
Yes,
realizations from that?
yes.
Yes. Very good. Yes. Saroj?
Yeah, it was very calm and relaxing. And the moment when you said, right, the bridge and everything, so I could visualize the golden bridge, the golden light, and the light, healing that relationship both at the when we say chakras level. So
Right.
I could visualize all those things.
Perfect. Very nice. Okay. So feeling better and feeling bit confident about those relationships now, whatever you worked on. Okay. So thank you all for being here, for giving this opportunity, and see you tomorrow. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yes.
Vrushali.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Take care and have a nice day.